In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix stream delay using low latency settings in OBS Studio. This is an invaluable skill for anyone looking to improve their streaming experience and provide a more seamless connection with their viewers. We'll dive right into the step-by-step process to ensure that you can stream with minimal delay and maximum efficiency. First things first, make sure you have OBS Studio open on your computer. If you haven't already downloaded it, take a moment to get it installed and ready to go. Once you have OBS Studio open, let's navigate to the Controls section, which you can find on the right-hand side of your OBS window. This is where we'll start tweaking the settings to optimize your streaming quality. Next, click on the Settings button, which will bring up the main settings window of OBS Studio. This is where you can adjust various options for your stream, ranging from basic to advanced settings. From this window, you'll want to select the Output tab, located on the left-hand side of the screen. This is a crucial step as the Output tab is where you configure settings directly affecting your streaming performance, including latency. Upon entering the Output section, look for the drop-down labeled Streaming and give it a click. Here, you'll find the specific settings that control how your video is processed and transmitted during a stream. Our focus now shifts to the encoder settings. When you click on this, you're diving into the technical heart of your stream's encoding process. This setting is essential for managing the efficiency with which your stream gets compressed and sent out to your audience. Once you're within the encoder settings, you'll come across an option labeled Profile. Select the profile that best supports low latency. Typically, profiles labeled high provide fewer delays as they prioritize smooth streaming over resource consumption. However, balance this with your computer's capabilities to avoid overloading your system. The final piece of the puzzle is adjusting the keyframe interval. You'll want to set this to 2 seconds for optimal performance with most streaming platforms. The keyframe interval determines how often a complete video frame is sent out, which helps in reducing latency by ensuring that the stream doesn't lag or buffer excessively. And there you have it. You've now optimized the settings in OBS Studio to reduce stream delay effectively. Testing these settings in a live environment is a great idea. You might need to make slight adjustments based on your internet connection and system capabilities. Ensuring a stable internet connection is key to maintaining low latency streaming. Hopefully, with these changes, your viewers will enjoy a smoother, more immediate interaction with your stream. As always, happy streaming, and do let us know in the comments if this helped improve your streaming experience.